Namaste everyone, Master Praveen here, and I wish and I hope that you all are doing great and you are doing your yoga practice every day. So first of all, I would like to say thank you so much to all of you for giving me so much love, giving me so much blessing and giving me always boost up. And I'm happy to announce that I'm going to be complete my 1,47,000 subscriber. It's only possible only because of you, because you always appreciate my efforts and my work. So let me come on the main topic. I'm going to be launch my first time online yoga series, and I'm cooperating with the I'm Strong. They are really much helpful and they are giving me this opportunity to work with them. So in this series, this will be 30 days series, and this series for yoga for beginners. If someone have a senior citizen, someone they are doing the yoga for a long time, but they do not know the exact way of doing the yoga. Busy people working in the office, someone they do not have enough time for practicing, so they all can be joining this series. So in this series, I will give you some basic introduction about the yoga, how to do yoga, where to do yoga, what to avoid, what to learn about it. Basic aspect of the pranayama, breathing technique. I will divide the different series. I will give the completely structure of this series, and you all will get benefited by it. So you will have a different classes on each day. And very good thing about this course key, you can be accessed anytime, whenever you have free time, whenever you have your available time, you can be accessing. I'm also doing my online classes on the Zoom and that, but that is time is a fix. Some students they complain, sir, this time we are busy, this time we have to go to work, this time we have to be have some other things, so we can't join it. So for students, this is really very good opportunity. You can be join this course. I will give one link under this video. You please go through that link and you can be registered yourself. We are also giving 2 video for the promotion video, so you will be know what we are going to be learn in this video. So thank you so much, and try to register yourself as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Namaste.